Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Many iPhone users are complaining that they want to set up Face ID on their iPhone but they are facing this kind of problem. Camera is restricted. Face ID is not available when camera is restricted. So guys, in today's video I'll tell you how you can solve this problem on your iOS device. To solve this problem, first force close your iPhone settings application and reopen it. Go down to screen time and tap on it. Now go down to content and privacy restrictions and tap on it. Here make sure content and privacy restrictions is enabled. Then go to allow apps and features. In this page you just need to turn on camera. After turning on the camera, now go back to the Face ID and passcode menu and try to set up your Face ID. So you can see that the camera is restricted issue is solved and now we can set up our Face ID very easily. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.